Hello friends, this video I will show you how to create neon effect in different videos. So let's start the video. My name is Asan Said and you are watching Denvo official channel. For more tips and tricks, subscribe my channel. So let's get started. First you have download green effect video on YouTube. So I already download this. Just select and drag into this layer. Now another one, drag into upper layer and I'm gonna effect option and type pixel, and you see here this transition. Just select and drag into this second layer video. Now left click on this video, go to compositing and change blending mode to difference. Just scroll down, you see here on timeline screen and press OK. Now I'm use sample color. You see here difference color as your choice. I'm use this one. Drag into upper layer and move to right side for the same position of both videos. Now left click on this color and go to compositing and change blending mode to overlay. Scroll down and you see here on timeline screen, press OK. Now export this video. Just click export icon and I will change name this to 1 and click export. Now this time I used another color. Just click and delete this red color and I'm use this one, and same procedure apply on this color. Just left click and change blending mode to overlay. You see here on timeline screen and press OK. Now export this video and this time change name to and export. Now last one, same procedure apply on this video. Now delete all layers. Just select and delete and go to media and import these 3 videos. Select one, select and drag into this layer one by one and use this option to adjust drag height to small, and second one and third one drag into this layer. Now I'm use glow effect apply on this video. I'm gonna effect option and type glow. Just select and drag into first layer of video. Another glow effect apply on same layer. Now left click on this video and go to video effect, scroll down and you see here that 2 glow option. I'm use first one radius, just decrease, type 2 and press OK. Now right click on this video and copy effect and select both videos and right click and paste effect. So left click on this video and change blending mode to lighten and press OK, and same procedure apply on another videos. Change blending mode to lighten. Last one same, change blending mode to lighten. Now go to media and select green effect video. Just drag into upper layer and left click on this video and go to Chroma Key option, and you see here offset option. Just try 10 and you see here on timeline screen. Now last step, just move videos to little right side. Shrink these videos and move all videos just little right side. First one, second one, and third one. Now my video is ready. I am used render option to make smooth playback of this video. I hope you are enjoy this video. For more tips and tricks, subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz.